All right, just wanted to share this with you guys. So our duplex model is definitely our most popular model out of the 5 patents that we hold, the family of 5. This one here, this is the one that everybody loves. This is what everybody wants. It comes with 2 1/3 horse and 2 hookups, but if you want to go big, this one is 2 bad seeds, 2 half horse liberties, each with a sump viewer. They had us install a heater for them, and it's got 2 inlets on this side. Right there, it's stubbed for flex pipe. There, stubbed again for PVC Schedule 40 flex. And then right here, 2 more hookups. So this is 2 bad seeds. This is our duplex model. And an extra 2 hookups with a heater. Just want to share it with everybody because this is really, really popular in the north in Canada. And we ship a lot of them down south just without the heater. All right, everybody. Until that next video.